from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
A new stream restoration project in the county gets underway this month. We'll tell you why that's significant. And a new CEO announced for the Weinstein JCC. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Wednesday, July 2nd, 2025. If last night's rain wasn't enough for you, there's more on the way today, up to a high of 82. The News Minute is brought to you today by Glenmore Yoga and Wellness.
And now for the news.
Henrico County officials are beginning to restore the Hidden Creek Park stream in eastern Henrico this month after the county's Board of Supervisors approved an $838,000 contract last month. The restoration will create the natural pattern of the creek to prevent erosion as part of the municipal separate storm sewer system permit. That's a Virginia DEQ program designed to help restore the Chesapeake Bay. Right now at the creek, water flows through the streams like a fire hose, rushing out of pipes and picking up thousands of pounds of sediment along the way. But healthy streams are more shallow and the water banks out when it rains, according to county officials. That's what they're hoping to restore in that location. The work will help restructure the stream with S-curves to create a natural flow of water. It will take about 10 months to complete the project, which involves clearing out vegetation that currently surrounds the creek and then replacing the area with native species, similar to the type of restoration that officials just recently completed outside the Henrico County Training Center on Parham Road. You can read more about this effort right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. The Weinstein JCC recently named its new CEO. He is Brad Finkel. He brings more than 25 years of experience from JCC Chicago and will officially begin his role on August 4th. He most recently served as COO in Chicago. He also held roles as Regional Vice President, Assistant Director, and others. He replaces outgoing CEO Orly Lewis, who spent 27 years leading the center. A college student from Henrico recently won a bronze award in the Microsoft Office Specialist U.S. National Championship competition for students ages 13 to 22. Rachel Hamlin is a student at Appalachian State University. During the competitive event, 190 finalists were tested on their knowledge and mastery of Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Hamlin won third place in the Microsoft Excel group and took home a cash award of $1,000. First place winners in the contest will continue to the World Championship in Orlando this month. And Atlantic Union Bank, the largest regional banking company headquartered in the lower mid-Atlantic, is expanding its corporate offices in Henrico to the tune of about $5.1 million. The company estimates that it'll spend that amount to upgrade an existing two-story, 39,000 square foot office in Innsbruck to accommodate 50 newly created positions there. The bank has more than 460 employees currently based in Henrico. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Glenmore Yoga and Wellness Center in the West End. Embark on a path to wellness for body and mind. Glenmore offers yoga, Pilates classes customized to suit individual needs, as well as therapeutic methods, massage, energy, and sound therapy, as well as comprehensive training programs. Call them at 804-741-5267 or visit glenmoreyoga.com.